Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you all are fine. Today we will read The Reader, the Magic Key. Remember what happened in the story? Biff and Chip found a magic key, and what happened to their sizes? They become smaller and smaller. Even the size of the shoe is bigger than the size of Biff. And look at the house. Earlier it was a doll house, but now the size of the house is much bigger than the size of Biff and Chip. It's all because of magic key. We will read The Reader. They looked at the house. They looked at the house. It looked like a big house. It looked like a big house. The windows. The windows were glowing. The windows were glowing. So the windows were glowing. Why? Because the light is coming out from this window, and it is the same light, just like the light was coming out from that pink box. So what do you think? What is happening inside? Why the light is coming out from this window? Yes, it's magic. It's magic, said Chip. So Chip said, it's magic. So children, enjoy the reading with your parents. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.